Hi, in this video, let us know about types of fractions. So we know what are fractions. So in fractions, we are having different types. So how to identify the fraction according to numerator and denominator, we will see. Now, we are having 6 types of fractions. They are, first one is unit fraction. So as the name indicates, unit means 1. So in a fraction we have the numerator and denominator. The upper part is numerator and the lower part is denominator. So in unit fraction, if you observe these fractions, that is 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 7, 1 by 3. So what is the common thing we are observing in this fraction? In this fraction, all the numbers, that is all the numerators are having 1 as numerator. So if we have 1 as numerator, then that type of fractions are called unit fraction. So if you take 1 by 2, that means the fraction is divided into 2 equal parts, and out of that we are taking 1. Now if you take the second fraction, it is 1 by 4. So the whole is divided into 4 equal parts and we are taking 1. So here the numerators are same. 7. 1 by 7 means out of 7 equal parts we are taking 1. 1 by 3 means out of 3 equal parts we are taking 1 part. So here unit fraction means the fraction which has 1 as numerator or called unit fractions. Now coming to the next one is like fractions. So as the name indicates, like means similar, same. So what are similar and what are same here? If you see these fractions here, 2 by 8, 5 by 8, 3 by 8, 4 by 8. Now that means here the denominators are same. That means one whole is divided into 8 equal parts. So here I divided into 8 equal parts, and if you take the first fraction, it is 2 by 8. So out of 8 equal parts I am taking 2, and the next one is 5 by 8. Out of 8 equal parts I am taking 5. So here the denominators are same. That means all the fractions are having 8 as denominator. But if you see the numerators, all the numerators are different. So such type of fractions are called like fractions. Means the fractions in which the denominators are same. So if you have the same denominators, they are called like fractions. And coming to the next one, unlike fractions. So unlike means they are not similar. So what are not similar here? Observe this fraction, 5 by 6, 4 by 8, 3 by 2. So here we are having the denominators and numerators different. So no numerator or no denominator are equal here. So out of 6 parts 5 are taken. Out of 8 parts 4 are taken. Out of 2 parts 3 are taken. What is this? It seems some different. Out of 2 how can we take 3? So this fraction is different. We will see what is this fraction later. Now, so here if you see these two, out of 6 parts I am taking 5, out of 8 parts I am taking 4. So here the numerators or denominators both are different. So the fractions which have different denominators, here we are having the denominators same, they are called like fractions. But here the denominators are different. That means unequal denominators. So if you have unequal denominators, they are called unlike fractions. Now coming to the next one, proper fraction. What is proper? Proper means sit properly. Means we will be sitting properly. That means proper means it is good. So what is it? So this is one whole. This is one whole. Now this one whole I divided into 5 equal parts. Now observe these two. Suppose this is one chocolate, this is one chocolate, this is one chocolate. 3 chocolates are of equal quantity. That means they can be divided equally. I divided equally. So out of this, in this second chocolate, I have taken 2 parts. So the chocolate quantity is same. All the 3 chocolates are having 5 equal parts. But the first chocolate is divided into 5 equal parts. Second is also divided into 5 equal parts, but I have eaten 2 parts. And if you see this one, this is also 5 equal parts. This is also divided into 5 equal parts, but here I have eaten 4. What do you observe here? Here, if you take 2 by 5 and 4 by 5. So here if you see the numerator means n, and the denominator. So here the numerator is less than denominator. In the second fraction also the numerator is less than denominator. So the fractions in which the numerator is less than denominator are called proper fractions. So whatever the fraction is, suppose if you take 4 by 9. So here the numerator is less than denominator. Otherwise you can tell this in this way also. If the denominator is greater than numerator. If you tell numerator is less than denominator or denominator is less than numerator, both means the same. So here the numerator is less than denominator or the denominator is greater than numerator. So such type of fractions are called proper fraction. So a proper fraction has numerator less than denominator. Now coming to the improper. Improper means it is something different. It's not, it is beyond something. So what is improper? Now you observe the same fraction. Here 4 by 9 means I divided one chocolate into 9 equal parts and I am eating 4 parts. So it is possible. So 9 parts I am eating 4. But you observe the fraction here. 4 equal parts and taking 9. So if I divide into 4 equal parts, eating 9, is it possible? No, it is something, the thing which is not possible. That means what is improper fraction? So here if you see this one, in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than denominator or the denominator is less than numerator. So in improper fraction, the numerator is greater than denominator. So here also I said 3 by 2. So here also the numerator is greater than denominator. Here also the numerator is greater than denominator. 4 equal parts, 9 eating is not possible. 2 equal parts and 3 eating is not possible. So what is this? We will see. So this one and this one is not possible because 2 equal parts 8, how? 4 equal parts taking 9, how? We will see. Now coming to the last type of fraction, this is mixed fraction. So what is mixed fraction? Suppose I have 3 chapatis. So I want to share it for 2 children. So it is very easy. If I have 3, I will give 1 chapati to 1 child and 1 chapati to 1 other child. So 2 chapatis are completed. 2 holes. Here 2 chapatis means 2 full holes. And now I am having 1 more. And that one I should distribute for 2 children. So how can I distribute? That 1 full chapati, I divide it into 2 equal parts. 2 equal parts means half and half. Now I gave 1 full chapati to this and I gave 1 full chapati to this boy. And this third one. Here observe the holes here. 3 holes are there, but in this we are taking 2 full holes and in the third one we are taking half plus half. That means each child is getting 1 full chapati and half chapati. That means each child is getting 1.5 chapati. 1.5 chapati. Now here in this 1.5 chapati, one child is getting 1.5 and another child is getting 1.5. So 1.5, 1.5. 1.5, 1.5, how can you do? 1.5 plus 1.5. So here 1 plus 1 means 2 and this half plus half means 1. So altogether how many full chapatis? 3 holes. So we got 3 holes. Is it not? That means here this type of fraction. That means when a fraction has whole number. Here the fraction is having one whole number. Whole number means complete full chapati. Each child is getting one complete chapati. So if you get one complete chapati, it is a whole number, complete chapati. So if a fraction has whole number and proper fraction. So this is a whole number and this is a proper fraction. 1 by 2 is a proper fraction because numerator is less than denominator. So if numerator is less than denominator, it is what? It is what? Proper fraction. So a mixed fraction consists of, what does it consist? It consists of a whole number and proper fraction. So a mixed fraction is nothing but it is a combination of whole number and proper fraction. So these are the 6 types of fractions. Now here I said how 9 by 4 is possible. We will see how 9 by 4 is possible. How can 9 by 4 possible? Here I said 9 by 4 means out of 4 equal parts 9. It is not possible. Means here we are having not one whole. We are having more than one whole. That means 2 or 3 or 4. So now this is a improper fraction. You know that this is a improper fraction. Now how can you convert this improper fraction into mixed fraction? So if you convert the improper fraction into mixed fraction, we can know how many holes are there and how the remaining whole is divided into parts. Now let us see. So to get the mixed fraction, so if an improper fraction is given, an improper fraction can be converted into mixed. So how we will do? Here the numerator is 9 should be divided by the denominator 4. Now can you get 9 in 4 table? No. 4 2s is 8. Now 9 minus 8 is 1. Now here 9 by 4 means it is an improper fraction. Now we are converting this into mixed fraction. Mixed fraction means what? It should consist of a whole number and fraction. So what is the whole number here? Here the quotient. What is the quotient here? 2. 2 is the whole number and remainder. What is the remainder here? 1. So 1 becomes the numerator and 4 becomes the denominator. That means here how many holes are there? 2 holes are there and this is also a whole, but in this we are taking some fraction. How can you show this in the form of picture? So here 3 holes, 1, 2, 3 holes. In this 2 completely we have taken and 4. 4 here the denominator 4 means it is divided. That means third chapati is divided into 4 equal parts. So I have to divide into 4 equal parts. Out of that, how many parts I should take? 1 part. So this is 1 part I am taking here. So 2 1 by 4 means this is the picture form representation. That means 2 full holes and in the third hole I am taking only 1 part. So 2 1 by 4 means 2 full chapatis and in the third one I am taking only 1 part. That 1 part means out of 4 equal parts I am taking 1. Means here the whole chapatis are how many? 3 whole chapatis are there. So how many things are here? 3 things. 3 whole chapatis and 9 by 4 means in 3 whole chapatis we are taking 2 full chapatis and the third chapati is divided into 4 equal parts and out of that 1 I am taking. So 2 1 by 4 means this is picture representation, and 2 1 by 4 is the mixed fraction for 9 by 4. So 9 by 4 means nothing but 2 1 by 4, and means in improper fraction we have more than whole. If you take proper fraction, we will take only one whole and we will take parts in it. But in improper fraction, we won't have only one whole. We have more than one whole. So here 9 by 4 improper fraction means it is more than one whole. If it is only 9 by 4, 9 by 4 means it is more than one whole. If it is 4 by 9, means 9 parts are there, out of that 4 we are taking. 9 parts means out of one full chapati we are dividing one chapati into 9 equal parts. Here there is only one chapati in 4 by 9. But whereas in 9 by 4 we are having 3 chapatis. In the 2 full chapatis we are taking, and in the third chapati we are taking one part. So the difference is that. So proper fraction means it is less than 1. So this is a very important thing you have to remember. Proper fraction is less than 1. Whereas improper fraction means it is more than 1. Why? Because here we are getting 2 fulls, and in the other one, in the third chapati, we are taking only one part. So here improper fraction means it is more than 1, whereas proper fraction means it is less than 1. So this is the way how to convert improper fraction into mixed fraction. So any improper fraction if I give, you can convert into mixed fraction. But the thing is, the quotient becomes the whole number, the remainder becomes the numerator, and divisor becomes the denominator. So here 2 1 by 4 means 2 is a whole number, 1 is the numerator, 4 is the denominator. So the mixed fraction for 9 by 4 is 2 1 by 4. Thank you.